Global Research Institute of Engineering is not just an institute, it's a hub where technology, creativity, and innovation come together. I am Shikha and I am an assistant professor in Computer Science and Engineering department. Today, I want to take you beyond the screens and circuits. Now step into our computer labs. Welcome to our computer labs where every click, every program and every algorithm shape the future. They are not just filled with screens, they are filled with possibilities waiting to be unlocked. This is where technology meets young minds. Students don't just learn to code, they learn to think like problem solvers, creators and leaders of tomorrow. Classrooms are not about theory alone. They are launchpad for creativity, collaboration and breakthrough thinking. When you walk into our knowledge center, this is not just a library. At Global Research Institute of Engineering, we don't just prepare engineers, we prepare innovators and inspire engineers to engineer the future.